Golden leaves softly fall, they dance in the wind, so gentle and free. The world glows in warm light. Autumn arrives, so colorful and bright. Golden leaves, autumn's dream. Nature sleeps, so quiet and serene. A touch of melancholy fills the air, but also beauty beyond compare. The fog rises on a cool morn. The fields rest so peaceful, lorn. The squirrel gathers its treasure, prepares for the winter's measure. Golden leaves, autumn's dream. Nature sleeps so quiet and serene. A touch of melancholy fills the air, but also beauty beyond compare. The fog rises on a cool morn. The fields rest so peaceful, lorn. A squirrel gathers its treasure, prepares for the winter's measure. Golden leaves, I'll tell a tale